So this is my dad's Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT. We ended up putting these seat covers on here, and it's the Kemimoto brand seat covers. So they have a front. When we were ordering them, then they were advertised just as the front, but the front seats and the back seats are exactly the same. So the install is exactly the same, the ordering them is exactly the same. So if you want front and rear, then you can just order 2 of them. And so it just pulls over the bottom, no big deal. The back one ends up, the only difference between it just goes around here, but it has these Velcro straps that hold it into place, and it's the same thing on the back. Then it just Velcros into place, and then these, they just have like this part, and it just pulls over the seat. So my dad normally has pliers that he carries all the time. So we were kind of worried that his pliers would end up eating into the seats, because the seats are pretty soft. So they're like pretty nice looking seats, but the material is not super rowdy. So this is like a canvasy material, and it should hold up way better, but that's all you do to put the seat cover on. So it's super easy. Just put it down and then it goes right over it. So far they've been working pretty good. So they should last a lot longer than the just like super soft material stuff. So hopefully they'll last as long as the UTV does. And what's nice is these, you can take them off and you can run them through your washing machine. So if they get dirty, like they're dirty right now, but you could take them in and just run them through the washing machine and it should clean them right up. So can't really do that with your normal seats. So, which you can just wipe them off, to be fair, but these should be a little better.